Edward is a small blue engine who looks like James on the island of Sodor. He's old and wise. He doesn't work as well as he used to because of his age, but today he'll be pulling a special freight train to the engines working at the quarry. Edward was happily puffing along until a set of points that usually went from a level crossing or a mine hadn't been set correctly. Edward was set to go down the level crossing, but instead went down the mine. There was more trouble. Edward's brake van got caught in the mine tunnel, and the coupling snapped. Edward was racing down the tracks until he bumped into an old engine. What? Who are you? Don't you say I'm trying to sleep? Another engine! Oh, yes, could you rescue me? What's your name? I don't know who you are. I'm the Rocket. Or Steven says Rocket, but you can call me Steven. Okay, let's get you out of here. The two engines coupled up to each other, and then they were off. Oh, my wheels are so stiff, I haven't moved in years. Eventually, they caught up with Edward's brake van, and coupled back up to it. Edward left Steven in the siding, and he went back to go deliver those trucks to the quarry. But every time Edward does see Steven, he'll reassure him that he'll get him parts someday. He just can't seem to find them right now.